Yes, in today's programming exercise, we will work on pointers. We will identify where our variables are located in the memory and what is the address of memory location where our variables are stored. So for this purpose, I have declared two integer variables, four integer variables x, y, I and j, and in the second line I have declared two integer pointer variables a and b. See, then I have gone for giving some values to x and y variables. For this purpose, I have used a prompt statement and a scanf statement for x and y. So I will be assigning some values to x and y. Then I want to know in memory where is my variable x and where is my variable y. For this purpose, to locate the address of x variable and y variable, I have written these two statements: a equal to ampersand x. Already while discussing about the pointers, we have seen that ampersand, we are going to read it as address of x. So this statement a equal to ampersand x brings the address, please remember not the value of x, it brings the address of x into this pointer variable a. Similarly, b equal to ampersand y, this statement brings the address of y in the pointer variable b. Okay. Now using these two printf statements, I am displaying the address of x and address of y. Okay. So now this will give us the exact location in the memory where x variable is available and where y variable is available. Okay. Now I want that if I know the address, can I get the contents of that memory location into any of variables? Okay. Of course, this already we have discussed. For this purpose, we can use star operator. Star operator stands for contents, okay, and ampersand operator stands for address of. Okay. To get the contents of memory location whose address is known, for that purpose I have written here this statement I equal to star a. Okay. What is the meaning of it? It is that bring the contents of memory location whose address is available in pointer variable a and place it in I. In a, what is actually available now in our program? It is the address of x. Okay. So from that memory location, whatever may be the contents, they will be brought and they will be placed in variable j. Similarly, the contents of pointer variable b, they are pointing to the address of, they are pointing to the variable y. So that next statement, this statement will be bringing the contents of memory location whose address is available in B register, they will be brought and they will be loaded in J. Okay. So now I will be printing, I will be displaying what we are getting from the contents of memory location pointed out by A, what will be the contents of memory location pointed out by B. Okay. So for this purpose I have used these two printf statements. They will be displaying not the address of memory, but they will be displaying the contents of memory location whose address we have given to it. Okay. So now let us run this program. First, let us save the program, compile the program, and run this program. So now it is asking for the value of x. I will enter the value of x as 50. Then I will enter the value of y as 25. Now we see the address of x is 65,524. The address of y is 65,522. Okay. Now we see the next two lines, that these are corresponding to our last two printf statements. In that printf statement, we have read the contents of memory location where x variable is available. Using the scanf statement, we have stored there 50, and using address, we have got the contents which we have stored in I, and we are displaying the value of I. Similarly, what we have stored in a variable y, we have stored in variable y25, and we got the address in pointer variable b. Then from that address we have taken the value, we have read the value which is equal to again 25. Okay. So this program demonstrates that how can we find out the address of a variable, how can we get the contents of a memory location if address is known to us. Okay. So that is how this program gets the details about the pointers. Okay. So this is how we can use. So in the next programming example, we will see that for the functions, how can we pass on the arguments using reference.